coming soon.
This is the blogger. Tripura's latest blogger. Tripura's own blogger. Please subscribe. We came for the RT-PCR test here, as I do not have RT-PCR but I have TrueNet test. But in this lab and hospital they do not provide RT-PCR test, but they provide antigen test only. So it's a bad thing for us, but yeah, let's hope for the best. We'll just go with the TrueNet COVID negative test. Oh, by the way, this is the KFC of Agartala, Indian national flag. And this is the proof that we are Indians, okay? Tripura is in India and don't call us Chinese. So guys, this is the gate of the historic Tripuri Palace called Ujanta Palace, and it's an interesting place. I have been there before when I first came back Tripura from Kerala, but today I don't think I have time to enter there. And one interesting fact, यहाँ पे nomadic Indian आया था. I think he came here in 2019. Nomadic Indian यहाँ पे आके vlogs बनाया था. So it's going to be really interesting. I mean, it's really interesting to be here. To the place where nomadic Indian came, as well as to a historical place and vlogging here. I love Agartala. Actually, we are lost right now. We don't know the address of his uncle or auntie, I guess. See the national flag. It's a good thing that I didn't go to the airport directly and came for the COVID test. But RT-PCR test is not available in India. It is, in Tripura, it is available only in GB hospital, and I don't think the result will be instant. So yeah, it's a negative thing about Tripura. Whereas in Kerala now, we can get everywhere RT-PCR. Oi. Okay. Yeah, they follow traffic rules here. So this is the toilet available here. It's too hot, guys. I feel like it is in Kerala. Same temperature, very hot. Yeah, let me check what is the temperature right now. Right now it is 31 degrees Celsius here in Agartala, Tripura, Northeast India. It's really hot. The one thing I heard about Tripura is the drainage system.
लंच करेंगे हम लोग अभी. तो कहाँ पर करेंगे?
क्या ब्लॉगिंग? तेरा ब्लॉग के लिए क्या?
हाँ. चैतरो लंच करने के लिए आया.
Nomadic Indian 2.0.
Oh, thanks.
And the other one is charging the phone there. So right now we are inside Agartala airport. Like, we got our boarding pass and we have done the checking stuff. Right now we are just waiting our flight. Our flight is in the evening, 4 o'clock. So we have to wait a lot. Right now it's 2:46. So we have to wait around 1 hour and maybe some few minutes. So see you guys after we are allowed to go inside. Yeah, it's really cold. This is the one, right? I hope we are in the right one.
I think so.
I did not hear the announcement.
842 it is saying here.
Okay then.
Let's see in the right one.
There was 842.
Yeah, 842.
Where is it?
रेंट करने वाला है अभी।
रेंट करने वाला फ्लाइट
हमारा सुना
So guys, right now we're going to be landing in Kolkata, and the next flight is after 2 hours, I guess. Not so sure.
देर से फीलिंग आया था थोड़ा।
I knew it. He was scared. So guys, we'll tell you guys after we reach the airport. Right now, let's move the camera, or you can enjoy the view.
Again, one page.
Hide issues.
I can see it there. हाँ, कैमरा रूम देख।
Okay, we are here in Kolkata. So guys, right now we have reached Kolkata airport. तो कैसा लगा?
ओ अलग से।
क्या अलग से क्या हो? ये देखो कोलकाता एयरपोर्ट बहुत बड़ा है।
मजा एंजॉय किया रे।
वो तो करेगा ही। चलो आजा। नोमैडिक इंडियन की तरह फीलिंग्स आ रहा है क्या अभी? Okay guys, see you after boarding next flight.
4:58.
We still have time, no?
It's too fast.
Just few minutes. We should go in. So we used to collect luggage there, right? क्या हुआ?
यहाँ रौनक है।
Nice place. I just came here for experience. वैसे I'm not interested to come here. This is only for lazy people, okay, guys? We are here in Kolkata airport and we are confused where to go. Transfer, no, basically.
jangan. Reconnecting.
What's going on, huh? So guys, right now we are inside Kolkata airport after a security check and waiting for our turn in gate number 25, and it's going to be very interesting, I guess. I mean, I don't know what to say. I mean, there's a lot of people. Sometimes I become nervous, right? Oh, anyway, he's taking picture for a thumbnail. Tell me, how do you feel like to go to Kerala right now?
I don't know what to say.
So guys, right now we are here in Kolkata. We are still in Kolkata, and I think we'll be reaching Kerala at around 9:45 p.m. in the night, and we'll reach our college campus at around 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
1 or 2.
Because 100 kilometers from Kochi. So we're just roaming around. It's like content for the content. Let's go there.
You can just show there. The girl is playing.
Oh, there. Interesting.
Terminal.
Actually, like, we are not allowed to shoot others in the airport. Last time I was vlogging when I returned. The policeman said, don't vlog. Others.
People.
Don't show others. Just vlog your face. So our flight is from gate number 25, and right now we are here just roaming here and there. Here. When you will return home? After 2 years or 1 year?
After 3 years.
Oh yeah. After graduation.
Yes.
Yeah, you can stay in the hostel. Oh, we are back to the same place. Oh, there are restaurants here. But things are expensive. Last time in Kochi I had, okay, 250 rupees for biryani, only 2-piece meat. Small piece. What to do?
So, in Tripura, if we are eating for 250 rupees, we would have eaten that for 5 days.
Yeah, definitely, no. And in Kerala, usually things are expensive. If you go to a restaurant, you know, no? So I used to eat in the roadside street foods. Tata Kata they call it. Well, we are back to gate number 25. Tamong ka.
Oh yeah.
Now how are you feeling to go to Kerala?
So excited.
Show this to your friends. भाई कैसा लगा अभी?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
How are you feeling?
No need to say anymore.
Over excited, huh?
Over excited.
They're all over excited, guys. So, okay. I had to say so many things. Hindi se bhi vlog banana tha. I was supposed to vlog in Hindi, but I forgot to vlog in Hindi. As you all know, I don't know Hindi. So, guys, I'm wearing this chappal right now. Others are all wearing good shoe, but I'm wearing this chappal. I came like I came like I stay at home. So basically, that's what bloggers do, right? Guys, 4 minutes behind.
Itu sore Rita, waktu penyerta.
Ini, just apa?
Ready?
Okay. Basically, we have to send these pictures to our school principal. इससे भी लो, एक लो. फोटो में बनाओ, ऑफ करके फोटो शूट done. So guys, right now we are going to Kochi finally. Nomadic Indians की fan अभी Nomadic Indian की तरफ vlog कर रहे हैं अभी. We are actually fans of Nomadic Indian.
This is the main beautiful
blogger. Tripura's greatest blogger. Tripura's own blogger. Please subscribe.
to my channel.
Subscribe. Anyway guys, यहाँ पे जो भी है ना, my bag is the most. देखो मेरा bag. My bag is really. My bag is the oldest bag here, and I don't have a good shoe. I just came like this, and only books are there in my bag. मेरा बैग में सिर्फ books है. Okay. So basically guys, we are already in the plane and we are heading to Kochi very soon, and I think we'll be reaching there after around maybe 3 hours or 2 hours. I'm not so sure. So along with me are these guys.
Hello. Hello. We are coming soon.
Just hold it and extend your arm. Yeah.
We are coming. We are coming. This is our newcomer.
So basically they're vlogging right now. And most of you like SB car, right? So guys, these are the new students out there, and I think they'll have a great time in Kerala. Let's see. So hey guys, we have reached the Kochi International Airport. So welcome to Kerala. I'm not talking loudly because like I don't want to disturb others. So basically airport में जाके बात करेंगे. Bye guys. So guys, we have finally reached Kochi International Airport. If you have seen my last vlog, I was vlogging out there in that place, in that seat. So nostalgic, just 1 month. Hey, नहीं करने का आगे मोड़ो. पिछले vlog में वहाँ पे ही था ना मैं. हाँ. अभी देख के vlog बना रहा. चलो चलते हैं. ये हम लोगों का टैक्सी. So we stopped here for our dinner. Seafood restaurant. I'll give the review later on after I reach hostel. Go in. Watching this vlog. Right now we are here in Kerala already, and we have been here since last 2 weeks, and we already attended our classes. So Nathan is with me. Look here. Say hello.
Please subscribe his channel.
Canal. What? Elementary canal or what? Okay, guys. So
Single channel.
Zoom canal. Okay, guys. So take care and see you in the next vlog. Live your life, live your dream, and one life for dream.